Welcome to the homepage of Manus, Hands-on AI, where innovation meets action. As part of Meta, Manus brings advanced AI capabilities to businesses worldwide, enabling them to transcend traditional problem-solving and execute tasks seamlessly. On the top of the page, you'll notice quick access to sign in or sign up, along with navigation options for features, solutions, and more. Scrolling down, you'll see the section titled "What Can I Do For You?" Manus showcases its versatility by offering solutions ranging from creating slides and building websites to developing desktop apps and design tasks. This section highlights Manus's ability to cater to varied needs, making it a practical choice for diverse projects. Next, we encounter less structure, more intelligence. This area emphasizes Manus's core strength, intelligent automation. With products like AI design tools and image generators, Manus is designed to streamline workflows, allowing users to achieve more with less manual input. It's a testament to how Manus enhances productivity through smart technology. Finally, we delve into the product section, which elaborates on Manus's offerings. From web apps and browser operators to unique integrations like Slack, Manus provides a comprehensive suite that empowers businesses. This is a pivotal section for understanding the breadth of tools available. For more details or to explore specific features, continue navigating the site.